Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to be making restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and don't miss out. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, I'm back. Today on the chopping block, we're going to be making you guys turkey stew. Alright, so this is from a leftover recipe from the holiday. So this is the turkey I had left over. So why get rid of that when I could use that to make other meals with? Okay, just something for you to know. All right, so this is the turkey. We're gonna put this to the side. You're gonna need some celery, some carrots, maybe 2 potatoes. This right here is some onions that I had left over. Probably use one of those, like an onion right here. We're gonna use one of those. I have 2 garlics, cloves of garlic, about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. I have some bouillon, chicken bouillon cubes right here. Some all season, I say all season, complete season. This is some creamy chicken right here. This is some adobo. Some barley right here. Some onion powder. This garlic, granulated garlic. This is granulated onion powder. A little poultry seasoning and some black pepper. And we're gonna need probably about 6 cups of water. Okay, this stuff is already done, so we ain't gotta really cook it that long. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. I already put the potatoes. I have my carrots. Put these over here to the side. My garlic. My onion. We're just going to cut this up. Dice it. Pull that piece away. Make sure this dice. All right. Put that up in here. In the pot. Forgot to show you, I ain't use all that meat now. I'm gonna save some of that meat. I'm gonna make some turkey noodle soup as well, or you can make some turkey and dumplings. So that's that. Now we're gonna come around the celery. Now if you wanted to, you can saute this up if you want to. I'm hungry, so I'm trying to eat a little fast. Alright, put that in there. Much as you want. This is a nice hearty meal. Good for your soul. Now I don't have salt out here. Reason why I don't have salt is because that turkey got a lot of it got a lot of flavor, put it like that. So remember, we making turkey stew. And I did wash my vegetable off, although it came in the bag and all that stuff, still wash it off. Take my potato. That's what I normally do. Like little chunk size pieces. Take those and put it in the pot as well. That's how that looks. Okay, so you got a lot of vegetables in there. You take you some garlic. I really didn't need the garlic. I like garlic in a lot of my food, fresh garlic. I'm just use 2 of these. So yes, it's a nice little leftover recipe that you guys would definitely love, I guarantee you. Get this piece of skin out of there. Alright, that's enough of that. Put that in there. Alright. Now, take some seasoning. Probably about a teaspoon of this. Granulated onion, tablespoon. Garlic, teaspoon. Poultry season, teaspoon. Alright. Black pepper, teaspoon. A little bit. I like mine a little spicy. You guys ain't got to put a lot of spice in yours, okay? Just take a little of this. This do have some salt in it. It's adobo. Probably put like about a teaspoon. Because I got to put some water in it, so we have to dilute it. You already know this got salt in it, the bouillon. So we're going to take about 4 of those. Turkey stew. Comment down below if you guys ever had turkey stew. Because to tell you the truth, this will be my first time. But I know it's going to taste good anyway. I should be just coming on here inventing stuff all the time. Because I'm always cooking like this. Alright, that's that on that. Now we need some water. 4 cups right here. So yeah, it's going to be about 5 cups. 2 cups right there. Just a little bit over it. So I don't want to go too far over that. So yeah, so that's about 2 cups, yeah. So it's total 6 cups. And this is what we got. So we just going to let this cook. Matter of fact, let me show you something else I'm going to put in. I'm going to get some of this chicken base right here. Put a teaspoon of that in there. I forgot that's cold water, so it ain't gonna just come off that spoon. So, just like that. Now for good measure, I am gonna put something else in there because I love it. And that's totally up to you. I'm going to come in here with a little turmeric in mine. It's good for information, which I need this. So half a teaspoon of that. And it will turn your water yellow. Okay? So let me stir this up in here a little bit. And we're going to cook this, guys. I want to say about good 20 minutes. So we gotta let it heat up. Turkey stew. Ooh wee. It's gonna be really good. Yep, so this is what we looking like, guys. What we looking like. See if you guys can see that up close. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna cook this on medium. About 20 minutes. Throw a little red pepper flakes in it too. Forgot about that. I like spice. Optional. Alright guys. When that get close to being done, then we're gonna put a little of this broccoli in there, okay? Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just going ahead and put some of this broccoli in there. Much as you want. I'm not going to put a whole bunch in there. Sorry about that much. Give that a quick stir. Broccoli is very, very healthy for you. So yeah, we're going to put that in there. Taste this. Oh, that's super good. I can't wait till that get done, but I'm gonna add one more thing that you guys didn't see me do. Oh wait, that's right. I'm gonna put a little wine in that. All right. So it's like a half a cup of wine. I'm gonna wash this spoon on. All right. Stir that up a little bit. Almost don't want you to put that cream of chicken in there. It's pretty good. Yep. We're gonna let this cook. I got on simmer. And I'll show you guys how it looks when it gets done in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. There it is right there. Turkey stew. You guys can see that up there close. Alright. So, if you guys like this recipe, give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to hit that bell. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I load another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And I thank you for watching. Happy holidays to all.